Why do 90% of dessert lovers adore mousse ice cream? Because it's creamy, dreamy, and oh so easy to make. Let's get started. First, grab a mixing bowl and pour in 1 cup of heavy cream. Whip it until you get those soft peaks. Next, add half a cup of sweetened condensed milk. Stir it gently, keeping that fluffiness. Now, it's flavor time. Mix in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for that chocolatey goodness. Fold it in carefully. Want to get fancy? Add a splash of vanilla or a handful of chocolate chips. Spoon your mixture into a container and freeze it for about 4 hours or overnight if you can wait. And voila! Creamy, dreamy mousse ice cream ready to enjoy. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and let your taste buds dance. Like and subscribe for more tasty treats. And